Hi dolls, today we're going to show you guys how to make this gorgeous no sew, no glue dress. Let's get started. The materials that we're going to use are some stretchy fabric, some scissors, a ruler, a ribbon, and of course, a doll. First, we will use the fabric, which should measure approximately 15 inches or 38 centimeters. By 3 inches or 8 centimeters. We'll fold it in half and then in half again. Then we'll cut a small circle like this. Now we'll put the dress on the doll. Next, we'll use a pencil to make a small mark on each side of the waist. Now we'll cut small holes on where we made the marks. Now we'll use a piece of ribbon. It should be approximately 21.5 inches or 55 centimeters. Now we're going to put the ribbon through the holes like this. Then we'll tie a bow in the back. Don't forget the shoes. We're finished. This is how it should look like in the front, and this is how the back should look like. Did you like today's video? If you did, give us a like and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Here are some of my other videos. If you want to see them, then there's a link below that you can click. Si te gustaría ver este video en español, hay un link en la descripción abajo. Gracias.